welcome to Old Ways Gardening and Prepping. My name is Teresa. I'd like to welcome you on another adventure with me. I'm sitting outside a Tractor Supply. I'm going to go in and pick up hopefully a bag of chicken scratch, because I'm going to show y'all how I mix and make my own bird food. Yes, I know a lot of people disagree with feeding the birds over the winter time. Well, I do it. Just gonna have to get over it. I'm gonna do it while I can until it gets to the point where we can't do it anymore. Now, I already have a 20-pound bag of black sunflower seeds, and I'm going in here to get a bag of chicken scratch. Let me tell you, they absolutely love this mixture. There's hardly any waste at all, and if anything drops from the feeder, the ground feeding birds will eat it. Alright, I'm gonna go in here, get this picked up, and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to mix it up, and I'll show you how to do it. Now, it should make 2 5-gallon buckets, and it lasts over the winter, unless we're going to have a really bad one this year, and it's looking like a possibility we're going to have a really cold winter this year, because we've been going to be way colder in November than we usually are. We've already had let's see how many, 6 frost and freezes so far, and might as well just call them freezes. And we have another whole week coming up that's going to be extremely cold. So I'm sorry, I want to give them a little bit of an advantage of staying alive, because so much of their habitat has been destroyed. Alright, I'll see you back here after a while. Got in trouble at Tractor Supply. I got my chicken scratch, but I came going home with a Celeste fig, regularly priced $29.99 for $5, and a beautiful Leland cypress tree, regularly $18 for $5. Everything else were crepe myrtles, which I have plenty of. So I am happy as can be. Alright, time to get going from here. Okay, it is finally time to mix up my bird feed. Now, also, when I was able to have chickens, this is the same mix. Sorry, mosquitoes are bad today. This is the same mix that I fed to my chickens, and they were always happy and laid eggs through the winter and everything. Alright, let's get to mixing up. I have 2 5-gallon buckets. I have a 20-pound bag of black oil sunflower seeds, and I'm going backwards here, and a 50-pound bag of chicken scratch. That didn't work. We're going to have to do it the hard way. It looks like this is mostly powder. I'm not used to chicken scratch looking this bad. Big old pieces of chafe in it. You want to take that out. Yeah, this is some rough looking chicken scratch, but I'm thankful for it. do some more chicken scratch. I ain't going to begin to say how much chafe is in the sunflower seed. We'll make sure you get all that chafe out. I can hear the birds tweeting already. Let's get a bird feeder and get it filled up. I'm going to pause it a minute so I can figure out how to open this thing. I'm new to this feeder. I just got it at the fall plant swap. Finally figured it out. And let's make some birds happy. Make all kinds of things happy, apparently. Yep, I do believe that those were put in wrong. Yep, I'm going to have to take this bad boy apart. It's going to take a while. I'll bring y'all back after a bit. Okay, I fought and won that battle. I knew something looked weird. Whoever put it together, the center section was put in upside down. Well, it's fixed now. It's filled up, and I'm going to have some happy birds. And it's a heavy feeder. Let's go hang it up. And all I'm going to do is pour what's left in this bag. Put these lids on. Let me move the camera down so you can actually see. And hopefully this will be safe from other varmints, critters, and whatever else. But 2 5-gallon buckets, and I still have half a bag of sunflower seeds, which I have 2 sunflower seed feeders, there we go, that I need to wash up tomorrow and get those filled up. So everything around here is going to be happy, hopefully, and it'll keep them out of my raised beds. But I'm going to be thinning squirrels out anyway later on. I hope this encourages you also to make your own bird feed. Now, I have found that they eat this so much better. There's not hardly any waste at all. I already hear the red birds chirping at me. They're ready to get at the feeder. But like I said, I used to feed my chickens this as well, and it kept them happy and healthy, and they laid some beautiful dark eggs. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will answer them as soon as possible. Please click like and share the video if you found it informative. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. May you each take care and be safe, and may you each be blessed. See you soon.